Alright everyone, I saw a video where someone ended up making some high protein peanut butter, and this is what I'm going to do. I got a bowl here, a spoon, I have some water, Greek yogurt, peanut butter powder, I have extra back here, and protein powder. So let's get started on the making. Alright, I'm not being exact here. I have somewhere in the vicinity of about maybe half a cup of Greek yogurt. I have a full protein, full-ish scoop of protein powder, the peanut butter powder. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw that in there and whatever's left in there, which would be basically this full scoop. Then I'm gonna put a whole scoop of the protein powder in there. Yeah, it kind of made a mess. That's the peanut butter, the powdered peanut butter. Here's the full scoop of protein powder. I'm using chocolate because that's what I have. I think you would actually ideally use vanilla, but this is what I have. Alright, there it is all mixed up. I used some water just as needed in order to get this consistency. As you can see, it's like almost like a natural peanut butter consistency. I say that in the sense of natural peanut butter is a lot creamier than commercially produced peanut butter, like your standard Great Value or Jif or whatever kind you use. But anyway, so I'm gonna spread this on some bread, the bread that I have, which is cheap white bread, Great Value. Throw some jelly on it, let's see what happens. Alright, and there it is. Alright, let's see how it turns out. Let me try this. That's pretty good actually. Man. So Greek yogurt, powdered peanut butter, protein powder, grape jelly, doesn't matter what kind. Whenever you mix all this stuff up, you end up with this consistency right here. Obviously I'm going to have to refrigerate this because it has dairy in it. Now I will say this, the only thing I would end up changing on this would be instead of water, I would use milk. Just because then I'd get a little more protein powder out of it, and I think it would improve the flavor too. But other than that, I mean, this is good to go. So there we go. Still have that peanut butter flavor. Hey, this is good stuff.